Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 RX 450h. The RX 450 Hybrid sports the innovative ECO mode, allowing your vehicle to consume less energy and regulate the throttle response for even more acceleration. It also features an exhaust heat recovery system that turns off the gasoline engine more quickly, allowing the vehicle to function on battery power alone. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, starter type, motor generator, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.